Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting product that could be a game changer for your welding projects, the 145A MIG Welder, a versatile 4-in-1 multi-process welding machine. If you're interested in checking this product out, we've added a link in the description for you to find the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this welder brings to the table. The 145A MIG Welder operates at 110V and features 4 different welding processes: MIG with both gas and flux core options, stick welding, and lift TIG welding. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool, perfect for a range of applications, from home garage projects to farm repairs and even metal fabrication. One of the standout features of this welder is its synergic control technology. With an IGBT inverter at its core, it simplifies the welding process significantly. You only need to set your wire size and the current, and the machine automatically adjusts the voltage and feed speed for you. This is especially helpful for beginners who may feel overwhelmed by the complexities of welding, allowing them to achieve professional results without the steep learning curve. For those with more experience, there's a plus or minus 3V fine-tuning option available, so you can shape your arc to perfection. Plus, the large digital display makes everything clear and easy to navigate. Another key highlight of the 145A MIG Welder is its ability to switch between solid wire and gasless flux core wire. This flexibility is crucial when you're working on different projects. The solid wire option is excellent for clean, precise indoor welds on stainless or carbon steel, while the flux core wire excels in outdoor conditions or when faced with windy environments. This adaptability ensures you can tackle just about any welding task effectively. Safety and durability are also paramount with this machine. It comes equipped with integrated safeguards against overcurrent, overload, overvoltage, and overheating, ensuring safe operation no matter which mode you're using. Additionally, the welder's robust metal housing helps protect the internal components, extending the lifespan of the machine and making it a reliable choice for years to come. What's more, you won't need to run around gathering parts. This welder comes with a complete set of accessories right out of the box. Included in the package are a MIG 145 welding machine, a 10-foot gas MIG torch, a 6.5-foot ground clamp, an electrode holder, various contact tips, drive rollers, flux core MIG wire, solid wire, welding electrodes, a gas hose, hose clamps, and even a brush. It's everything you need to get started on your welding journey immediately. So, who is this welder suitable for? It's engineered for demanding DIYers and skilled tradespeople alike. Whether you're a hobbyist looking to take on home improvements or a professional needing a reliable tool for your craft, the 145A MIG Welder adapts to your needs effortlessly. Practical use cases range from automotive repairs and metal artwork to furniture fabrication and even farm machinery maintenance. To wrap things up, the 145A MIG Welder is a flexible, user-friendly, and durable welding machine that can meet a variety of welding needs. With its advanced features and comprehensive accessory kit, it's an excellent investment for both novices and experienced welders. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.